I think we need Balerno to be pesticide free because pesticides damage our health and the environment.
I think pesticides should be sprayed. I think it's bad for the environment and it could be bad for people's health as well. So I support pesticide free Balerno.
And the trees being killed and bees being killed by all this pesticide.
What's your opinion on pesticide free Balerno?
I think it's a good idea. We need to get rid of pesticides definitely.
Pesticide-free Balerno is making it green and pesticide-free Balerno. Personally, I think we need the wildflowers, we need the bees, we need to go back to nature. Pesticides.
I would like it to be stopped in Balerno.
Other ways of killing the weeds than using pesticides. So I think we should consider the other ways, because pesticides are quite dangerous to people and to the environment.
What's your opinions about pesticide free Balerno?
I think we should stop killing animals.
The pesticides getting into our water system. Do you know what that's doing to people?
I think we should keep ourselves pesticide free. No one likes chemicals, do they?
Absolutely, yes.
It's very poisonous to dogs and shouldn't be used because it's just being used so people are...
There's research that shows at the moment that it's dangerous and it's something that we should be removing from Balerno, definitely.
I think it's particularly bad here in Balerno. I mean, I've been working with my two dogs up there in the res, and they were up there spraying on a windy day, and all three of us, the two dogs and myself, got completely saturated, covered in the spray. Public right of way as well is a well-used path.
Balerno to be pesticide free.
I support pesticide free Balerno to get rid of pesticides definitely.